Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on laptop without downloading it. To begin, you'll primarily be looking at cloud gaming services, as Roblox typically requires a client download for direct play. These services stream the game to your browser, bypassing the need for a local installation. You'll need a robust internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, to ensure a smooth and lag-free experience. This method allows you to enjoy your favorite Roblox games without consuming valuable storage space on your laptop. Cloud gaming platforms offer a fantastic solution for playing Roblox without a download. Services such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, if Roblox is available there, or Boosteroid, allow you to stream the game directly to your laptop's web browser. You'll typically need a subscription to these platforms. Once subscribed, simply navigate to their website, log in, and select Roblox from their game library. The game will then stream to your screen, letting you play instantly, without any installation files on your device. To get started with cloud gaming first, you'll need to create an account with a reputable cloud gaming provider that supports Roblox. After setting up your account and subscribing, you might need to link your existing Roblox account within their platform, depending on the service. It's also crucial to ensure your web browser, like Chrome or Edge, is fully updated to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. This preparation ensures a seamless transition into playing your favorite Roblox experiences directly through your browser. While playing Roblox via cloud gaming is incredibly convenient, there are a few important considerations. Firstly, a robust and stable internet connection is absolutely paramount. A minimum of 25 megabits per second is recommended for a smooth experience. Secondly, most cloud gaming services operate on a subscription model, so factor in a monthly fee. Lastly, your in-game performance can fluctuate based on your internet speed and the current server load of the cloud provider. Always check the service's supported game list before subscribing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.